S-400 assembly demonstration. 1. Packing list. Host, multi-head filling mode, hopper, hand tightening nuts for hopper, tray screws, locating pin, power cord, power adapter, user manual. 2. Installation steps. 1. Installation of tray and locating pin. Tray, locating pin, 1 PC large, 4 PCS small, tray screws, 4 PCS, hex wrench, 1 PC. First, we place the tray horizontally on the machine, exposing part of the rear positioning groove. Install the large locating pin on the tray before installation. Remove the large locating pin, then unscrew the locating block. The raised surface of the locating block should face upwards, and hold it by hand under the slot on the protruding part of the tray. Then screw the locating pin onto the locating block from above. Remove the 4 small locating pins. At this point, it does not need to be tightened too much. Tighten them onto the 4 corners of the tray one by one. There are 4 adjustment holes at each corner. Then lift the tray horizontally. The large locating pin should face the back of the machine. Then place it on the 4 lifting columns of the machine. Make the 4 screw holes on the top of the tray. Align with the holes of the 4 lifting columns. Then tighten the 4 tray screws in sequence. Note, the recessed side of the 4 screw holes on the tray should face upwards. The screws should be flush with the tray after being screwed in. 2. Installation of hopper. Preparation, hopper and hopper hand tightening nuts, 8 PCS. Lift the hopper and lower it from above the gearbox. Fit the 8 holes at the bottom of the hopper into the 8 protruding screws above the gearbox. Then screw the hopper hand screws onto the front and rear 8 screws in sequence, and tighten them. If necessary, tighten with pliers. At this point, the hopper installation is complete. 3. Installation of multi-head filling mode. Prepare multi-head filling mode. First, loosen the red set screws at the bottom of the gearbox in sequence. Remove the multi-head filling mode. Align the card slot from the side and gently insert it. After insertion, check whether the mold and the slot are flush. Only when the 2 surfaces are flush is the insertion successful. If not, loosen the red set screw a little more, then insert. Finally, tighten the 8 red set screws at the bottom in sequence. Installation complete. 4. Baking tray placement and locating pin adjustment. Place the baking tray. Lift the baking tray horizontally. Push it slowly forward from the front of the tray and set it in place. Adjustment of 4 corner locating pins. After the baking tray is placed and centered on the tray, there is a large gap with the locating pin. According to the actual size of the baking tray, unscrew the locating pin, move it to the inner hole, and tighten it. The other 3 corners are treated in the same way. Move the locating pin to the corresponding hole and tighten it. Rear locating pin adjustment. First, observe from the side the corresponding positions of the discharge nozzle and the last row of moles on the baking tray. Place the last row of moles on the baking tray. Align vertically and center with the discharge nozzle. After alignment, gently move the rear locating pin to fit snugly against the baking tray and tighten. At this point, the locating pin adjustment is complete. S-4 assembly complete.